the fact that we all stand here today united is a proof of how important this issue is and how it has impacted the country, the river that has fed and been the source of life for many individuals in Pakistan and in Sindh. The fact that we have to stand here today, a day after 14th of March, which is the International River Day, is disappointing, but also it makes me proud that we stand here today united for the river that gave us life. But also I'm disappointed in the government of Pakistan, in the establishment of Pakistan that preaches about equality and democracy, yet takes away a right to the source of life, water. I know that we all here share the same feelings and the same approach to this issue. We stand here peacefully in front of the High Commission. We stand here united in front of the High Commission. And we stand here with this hope that they might do something about this issue that is not just started in the last year or the 5 years before that, but has been an ongoing issue since the colonialist and imperialist power that took power on Pakistan. I feel like the fact that it is important to raise these issues, and also I applaud every single one of you for taking your time out and standing here in front of the Commission and raising your voice. Thank you.